be here. Very peaceful. Let's go over here and I'll show you the view. There. Show it behind me there. I'm watching the boats go by all day. Fishing boats and people traveling down the river. And I guess they camp along the riverbank. Pretty neat stuff. I actually kind of want one of those boats. Don't know what they're called, but I can see that that would be fun. Some of my neighbors over here. Kind of close camping, but that's all right. Not big of a deal. Kind of nice to have neighbors. Last night kind of felt kind of isolated. Kind of was thinking to myself, I arrived here kind of like an animal last night. I was just worn out and exhausted, and then I had put all the tent and everything up and made a fire and stayed up a bit late. Thought I heard some wild animals, but turned out just to be my imagination. But it gets pitch black out here. You can see every star in the sky, and I mean literally every star. But I think boondocking out here is the way to go, because you can just get a load. That's hard to beat under any circumstances. Saw a snake here when I got here. It was a Gartner snake, I believe. Scared me though, because there are rattlesnakes here. So you kind of watch where you're going. Anyway, that's just a little bit of my coronavirus vacation, since my other vacation got canceled. But this will suffice. And I'll be back. So, talk to you soon. Well, that was a nice little bit. The two people on the raft just floating down the river, not even using the oars. Something nice to see. If they're still back there, you could probably make them out. I think you can see them there. A couple more days left of vacation. I've sorely needed one. I was feeling all kinds of stress and all my problems. So yeah, just come to a head. It's just like, I gotta get out of here. I'm glad I came here though. So. I got a new one for today. Stay in my salad. Water always wins. Just looking at the geology around here. And it seems like it's volcanic rock, as most of Oregon and Idaho are. There's some ash heap hill type deal. But you kind of see places like over here. Hold on. Canyons. And you kind of ask yourself, well, gee, how did the the river get through there? Was it always like that? Then you have to think to yourself, well, no, that was a rolling hill at one time. That's just, those canyons have been created by the rock or the water flowing against the rocks. There's probably some pushing, some uplift to the terrain as well, or was. Anyway, enough of that.